Track 11. 1.
Hello, I'm Charlie. I like table tennis and baseball. Oh, I like playing football with my friends too. I'm very good at it. I don't like hockey or dancing. I'm not very good at them.
2.
Hi, my name's Anna. I like lots of sports. Badminton and hockey are my favourites. I'm very good at hockey. I don't like running or swimming. I'm not very good at them.
3.
Hello, I'm Ed. I like swimming and running. I go swimming and running 5 days a week. I'm very good at swimming. But please don't ask me to play baseball. I don't like playing it because I'm not very good at it. My friends like baseball, but I never play it with them.
4.
Hi, I'm Dana. I like basketball. I play it at school with my friends. I think it's my favourite sport and I'm very good at it. I like football too, but I don't play it very often. I don't like table tennis and I don't like hockey. I sometimes play hockey at school, but I'm not very good at it.